This seems small. What zero gauge? It just feels small. This welding wire. It's real wire. Look at all that real copper. They have all that cheap shit that looks big, but it's fake. That right there is solid. Look at it. Even when you cut it, you barely see any shine of it. So we're wiring up 4 100 amp power supplies.
You gotta change.
I did. I did it before. We did. That's why there's no reason. Anyway, 4 100 power supplies that you can master slave then to control with one, so we can get 400 amps, then go to that big ass beast over there. That one's kind of short here. All right, so now we gotta go from here.
Teamwork is a dream work.
All right. So we're doing 4 100 power supplies, right? And then we're doing a ground block over here so we can connect the rest of the stuff. And then I'll run 2 or 3 lines directly to the cell. The cell is 800 amps of power, and then you got 400 here steady. So if it all works right, this is the master. So when I turn these on, whatever we adjust this to, the rest will do it, which means dynos will be done at a more accurate voltage. And with 400 amp, kind of mimic having a upgraded alternator. Because obviously you're not gonna get 400 out of it, but definitely better setup. Now, question is, will this control the others? That's what I don't understand. I have the master slave hooked up, but when I had them turned on, it wasn't doing it. So I don't know if they need to all be hooked up also, which is what we're finding out. Same time, trying to get this done in a timely manner so we can get some work done today, dynoing. It's gonna be a long day, but as you can see, we got the green screen kicking, making some cool changes for this. So stay tuned. Big Jeff and the Burney Best Show. My best friend right there, Burney.
The Burney and Jeff Show. When we started a long time ago.
I don't have too many close friends. I have a lot of acquaintances, customers, followers. Burney is my one true best friend.
Brother from another mother.
Another brother, yeah. This time lighter and prettier.
No, it's the other way around. I'm darker and prettier.
Okay, so.